Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. So on today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to set up your own WhatsApp username before another person takes it. All right, so because the username that you are setting right here allows people to communicate with you directly without having to have your phone number. And if the username I want to take is maybe crypto mechanic and another person goes ahead and take that username, when I want to take that username, I won't be able to use it because another person have taken it. So very quickly right here, let me show you how you can be able to set up your username so that it will be your own forever. All right, so before we go ahead and continue with the video, please, if you are new to our channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Like this video, share it, and drop an interesting comment telling me what you think about the video. So before I will go ahead right now to show you how you can be able to set up your WhatsApp username, let me first of all tell you the reasons or the importance of setting up your WhatsApp username. All right, so first thing is that it protects your phone number. Instead of sharing your personal phone number, you can simply give the person your username and the person will be able to communicate with you. Okay, now not just that, it makes people easy, like it makes it easy for people to remember and maybe chat you up without having to have your phone number on their own phone. You can chat with new contacts without immediately exposing your phone number, reducing unwanted contacts and spam. All right, you can tell people your username in person on social media or in video without needing to reveal your phone number. It all lands on protecting your phone number, which is generally, it all lands on making WhatsApp even much safer for you. People can easily reach out to you without having to ask for your phone number. All right, but there are some things you can actually do to restrict people from reaching out to you if you don't want to. So right now, very quickly, let me show you how you can be able to set up your WhatsApp username very easily. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to head over to your WhatsApp. Then you go ahead and of course click on this tray line. All right, so once you click on the tray line, you come over here to setting. Okay, coming over here to setting, you can see accounts right here. You click on it. Okay, now over here you can see your username right here. You click on it. So over here on username, you can choose to actually create a totally new username, or you can choose to use the username on your Instagram. All right, so if you have Instagram, you can choose to use the same username that you have on your Instagram. But if you don't want to, you can go ahead and create a new username for your WhatsApp. Now over here, I will go ahead and click on create username. Okay, now you have to type in the username you want to use. For example, right here, I want to be using this username right here. Simply this username. You can see this username is not available. You can see someone has already taken it. So right now, let me do something like this. Okay, let me do something like this. Okay, this one now is available, so I will click on save right now. So very simply, I've set up my WhatsApp username. So right now I will click on done. Now once you click on done, maybe for any reason you want to change your username, you simply click on edit, and once you click on edit, you can choose to delete the username or you can choose to change it to another thing. Now okay, right now if you look over, you can see contact me by username. Now you can change it. Okay, now if you want, you can leave it so that anyone that types that username can easily reach out to you. But if you want, you can type in people who know my key. All right, so clicking on people who know my key, this is a key right here. For example, when someone wants to chat me up, the person can simply type in that's my username. But if I don't want people to be messaging me randomly, I can simply change this key by clicking on get a different key. So before the person chats me up, the person will have to input this key, and if the person doesn't have this key, the person won't be able to chat me up. Now simply, this feature is very important for you to set up on your own phone so that people can easily reach out to you without you having to give the person your phone number. For example, right now, if person meets you up on the road or maybe anywhere else and the person asks for your WhatsApp, you don't need to type your phone number to and give to that person. You can simply tell the person your WhatsApp username, and when the person search for it, the person can easily reach out to you. So this is a very new WhatsApp update that every one of you need to put or set up on your own phone. It helps a lot from what I understand. Now for those of you who are probably not going to be seeing this option on your own phone, there are a couple of things that you can do to actually get the option available on your phone. For example, when some people come to their own account, they won't be seeing this username option. What you need to do is to simply head over to Play Store. Then you make sure your WhatsApp is up to the latest version. So looking over here right now, you can see that this is the latest update right here. The latest update is that they just introduced the WhatsApp username feature. All right, so if your WhatsApp is not up to date, First of all, go ahead and update your WhatsApp to the latest version. This will allow you to be able to see the username option immediately right there on your own WhatsApp account. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and I'll be speaking to you guys on the next video that I'll be dropping soon. If you don't want to be missing out the next update, kindly do well to like this video, subscribe if you haven't done that, and make sure you turn on the post notification bell so that whenever I drop any new video, you are going to be the first to know about it. All right, so thank you for watching the video, and do have a lovely day.